Hey friends, we are here to get some business done, and that is stuffing completed challenges. I never have enough challenges that are complete to make a separate video on stuffing them, but today I do, and it is all thanks to the fact that November was a magic month. So yay, we're gonna stuff these. I also potentially want to do a bill swap. I don't know. I'm just going to kind of see how it goes, as I usually do. I don't necessarily need one, but I just kind of want to do one. So we're going to see how long this little stuffing takes and then kind of go from there. Really quickly and completely unrelated to this video, I did want to show you the new freebies that you're going to get in your Etsy orders. It is winter, well, not officially, but almost. So these are the new little scratch offs, and of course you'll get one per order, and there are 12 different ones. So you know, if you place multiple orders during the winter, you won't necessarily be getting the same freebie every time. So I just wanted to really quickly show that. The Black Friday sale is officially over, but I did want to say that I might either extend it or do something else. I'm kind of feeling like I want to do something a little bit fun and different for Christmas. So look out for sales kind of all month long here and there. And yeah, I just, like I said, I just kind of want to do something for December in the shop. So thank you so much for all of your support during the Black Friday sale. It was definitely a success. And so thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. And this video is not about Etsy, so let's get on with it. But I do also want to say I am working on some new Etsy items finally. So I think what I want to do is after Christmas in the new year in 2025, start out fresh with a brand new Etsy launch, and that is going to be what I'm going to shoot for. So yes. Okay, let's first start, as I said, with stuffing these finished challenges. And this first one is going towards my emergency fund. So this was the challenge from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Co. So there should be $63 here. 20, 30, 45, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3. $63. So let me go ahead and grab my trackers out. I'm gonna write the total down. I like to keep the trackers in my envelopes just so that I know how much should be in here. I know not everybody keeps the trackers, but I just like to have them. And what is today? It's December, you guys. I cannot believe it's December. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, a fun Black Friday, and let me know below if you picked up any deals or any sales for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Yeah, I want to know. Okay, so we should have $213 in here now. So we're going to add the money and we're going to count it up. And then I have my prop money box here. Like I said, I may just do a little quickie condensing. I don't know if I'll go through every single binder. I probably won't. But I just feel like it's what I want to do. So 100, 150, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 213. So I'm gonna put all of this to the side, grab out another 100. Okay, 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 213, perfect. And this is my 1K tracker. I am gonna go ahead and color in 6 of these 10s here, just so that I can keep this going and make sure it's up to date. All right, so I have those colored in, and when we are all finished with this tracker, we will have $1,000, yay! Okay, so what I'm gonna do with the challenges is I'm just gonna put them to the side for now. I do have my completed challenge envelope, but I will bring that out at the end and then put everything in there at once. So they're just gonna go to the side for now. Okay, let's see. Next is school. I think that is in the other binder. Have to be careful that I don't mix this all up. Penelope's in the other binder. Medical. Here we go. All right, so this next one was from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. This was 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, and it looks like a lot of it is real cash, so I actually can't condense that down. So let me go ahead and add $100 on my tracker here and see where we're at. So we have a 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 35, 45, $145. So that is a start for 2025. I would love to have a full medical deductible saved up. Our deductible is only $500. That's a very low deductible, at least compared to most people. So I would love to have that saved up, but we'll see. Okay, so these are other ones that I finished, but the money, I left the money for these in the envelope, so we're just gonna stuff that in the folder. And I absolutely cannot wait to count this folder. It is almost time, and I am so excited to see how much I was able to save this year. Okay, this next challenge was from Liz over at Liz and Les. This was the obedience school. And so let's see, this was 100, I think, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 100. And so we're gonna add this money in, and then we're gonna count it all up. Let me go ahead and update my tracker here really quick. Okay, and I wanna make sure to write 100 on the back of this so that I know for when I'm counting up my completed challenges, how much that was. All right, so now in Penelope, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 232, and that makes me happy. Her annual vet visit is December or January, and it's usually a few hundred, so that is definitely a good start. Okay, next we have a school, which is really just like a kid fund. So I think this one should be 75. This was another one from Liz over at Liz and Les. So let's see, 20, 40, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 75 very crispy dollars. So we should have 107 in here now. 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $107. And let me also go ahead and write 75 on this challenge so that I know. Where did I put my marker? Here we go. No, not a 2, 7, 75. Okay, we'll put that to the side. And last but not least, we have our little balloon animal from Lindsay over at Boy Mom Loves to Save, and this was 50, I believe. 10, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 bucks. So let's go ahead and put that in here. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70, 1, 2, 3, 173 in here. And let me also write 50 on this one so that I know and don't have to add it up later. Perfect. All right, we are finished stuffing the completed challenges. Let's pop all of these challenges in the envelope. And look at this bad boy, you guys. It is full. There are 3 binders in here. There's a lot. So I am, as I said, so excited to count these at the end of the year. But I can still fit more. I can still fit more because this envelope is the absolute perfect size. This was a gift. And I was thinking as I was just editing my savings challenge video, I don't know if I'll have any other challenges to put in here. These might be the last of this year because I only have 2 more paychecks this year. So this might be it. Let me tell you what, it is a little bit hefty, and I mean, I'm totally about it. So there will be a video of me, you know, not like counting everything up, but kind of adding everything up just to see how much I saved in the year of 2024. So definitely look out for that. That will be the end of this year or potentially very early next year. I can't believe we're even talking about the end of the year. That's just nuts to me. Let me go through though and see if there's any of these that I want to try to condense really quick, because I don't know. I just, like I said, sometimes I get the itch and the urge to do a little swap. And so let's see, this one could use a little bit, although there is a bunch of real cash in here. So let me separate this out really quick. We may or may not be able to do anything after I separate out the real cash. So if you're new here or you've never seen any of my bill swaps, I am a hybrid budgeter, which means that I use prop money and real cash. And so when I do a condensing, I don't just take large bills out of the bank. I actually just use my prop money box over here and condense it down, because I like to try to keep what's in the bank in the bank. I don't like to take it out just to do like a bill swap or anything like that. So I have the real cash separated out here, and in the prop money we have 100, 150, 70, 90, 200. So actually 50, 70, 90, 100. Let me swap that out. And we have 10, 15, 20. Let's see, we'll grab a 20. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Enough for a 10. And this is much easier and faster to count now. So 100, 200, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 255 in here. Yes, perfect. Okay. Let's see what else, if anything. Let's check the emergency. Oh, I already did that, didn't I? Okay, that's probably just about it then. Let's check taxes out. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 500. Okay. Can take a big boy. 500. Sorry about my dog barking if I wasn't able to edit it out. Also, my washer is going in the background and there's no door on that room yet, so if that's really noisy in the background, I'm very sorry. 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10, 15, 20. Okay. So 500, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. 544 in taxes, so that is good. And let's see, let's check some of the savings challenges really quick. Well, actually, these are all empty because I just finished a bunch of challenges. Let's see, 10, 25, 30. Okay, let's grab a 10 and then we'll grab a 20 for this. Okay, emergency's empty. I still need to get some new envelopes for this stuff. Which actually I should leave that aside so that I remember, because y'all know I'll definitely forget, right? Okay, vacay. Let's see what we got going on in here. This is a bunch of real cash too. 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, we might be able to get 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. Yes, 100. One, two, three, four, five. Boom, boom. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're $1 short of another 5, but that's okay. That is definitely much smaller than it was. Okay, let's check the 1K. Most of this should be prop money. 20, 40, 60, 70, 5, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10. And that is it. Okay, so 5, 6, 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 650. Perfect. Okay, my friends, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this quickie little bill swap / mini little stuffing. Look out in the Etsy shop for some deals in the month of December. As I said, I do want to offer a couple little things here and there. I am just ready to be super festive and jolly this season, and let me know if you are too. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I love you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, one more thing. As I'm sorting my money, I remembered to tell you guys I am actually going live this Friday, December something. December 6th. It took me a minute. This Friday, December 6th at 3 p.m. Eastern Time with Liz over at Liz and Les. Yay! So I hope that you all can make it. We're going to be just having some fun, chit-chatting about Christmas. And I mean, if you love Christmas as much as I do, I think it's going to be an absolute blast. So I hope to see you all there. That is the real end. And I'll see you next time. Bye.